Welcome to another episode. Right now I have Nissan Tida. This vehicle has a lot of fault code. One, it has a check engine on the dashboard. So I'm going to scan this vehicle using the thinker so that we identify the main problem. Apart from that, this Nissan Tida has a hard start, and if it starts, it has a rough idling, loss of power, misfire. We have done almost everything. So today we are going to scan. I see the engine has one fault, so that we identify the main fault code. According to this the fault code is P0420, which is TW catalytic system bank 1. So the problem is catalytic system. So this fault code can cause by failing catalytic converter, fault oxygen sensor, exhaust leak, engine issues, and we have fuel system problems. But according to this vehicle, the problem is failing catalytic converter. So we are going straight to the exhaust. So right now I'm removing oxygen sensor to make sure that we clean oxygen sensor. After that, I'm going to remove the catalytic converter. So I'm going to remove everything inside the exhaust. We call it muffle. So after removing everything from the exhaust, so I'm going to clean the oxygen sensor to make sure all of oxygen sensors are clean. Then I'm going to install back everything. So this vehicle is going to run minus catalytic converter. So after that, I'm going back to clear the fault code from the system, like this. Quick erase. Let's wait and see. Communicating, please wait. So clear fault code completed. Okay, let's read again. No DTC detected. So after doing that, let's start the vehicle. Good. Well, there's no any check engine on the dashboard. So the main problem was failing catalytic converter. After removing muffler from exhaust pipe, right now the vehicle is running perfect. No misfire, no hard start. Everything is working perfect. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.